Mae Davies. Cion Reffel. Reffel ar ergyd o, mi oedd hwnna'n mynd am y gornel ucha. Arbediad o'r safon ucha hefyd gan Alex Ramsey. Y lle i Mark Little ond a Little rownd y gornel Georgievski a draws wyneb y gol. Dyma Davies. Mae tam yn gael fan hyn i Rosgro. Mae Newell ar yr ochr bella, mae Venables efo hefyd. Rosgro dal i fynd. Adam Rosgro, Bale yn edrych am Venables. Venables! Sut fethodd o honna? Wel, cyfle gorau'r gêm. Os ych chi reid eich Morgais ar Chris Venables o reid y bal ar y blaen yn y fan yna. Arsan ar gei crydd i'r Bala Pete. Mae o i fyny yna. Cyffyrddiad gan Rosgro. Mi oedd hwnna'n cyfle. O, ta, beth wedi digwydd yn fan hyn. Pete yn ei chanoli. Ond mae yna bob math o draffaeth yn fan hyn. A bydd rhaid i Mr Aaron Jones wneud penderfyniad mawr yn y fan hyn. Mi oedd Pete yn ei chanoli. Oes yna Gerdyn Melyn i bob un yn fan hyn. Gerdyn Melyn i Josh Orwerth a Gerdyn Melyn i Nathan Pete. Gyfle fan hyn i Newell, ras rhwng Newell a Jeffries. Newell, George Newell! Chafodd o'n gafal go iawn ar honna. Fel and Absalom, cyffyrddus yn y diwedd. Mae'n Kane Owen ar gic. Gornel un isel yn cael ei chwipio i fewn. Yr cliriad allan gan Tony Kay. Mae'n ta Rosgro, mae ben i hun. Rosgro, wannol dadi. Ath o heibio i Ashley Evans, ond tas o ddim yna. Rosgro, dal i fynd! O'r arbediad gan Kelland Absalom. Wel, amrediad gan Adam Rosgro. Oedd yn heiddi gol. Sgilia, cyflymder ar arbediad gan y golwr. 5 munud ar 20 union o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae Lasana Mendes ar geg gornel. Mae Nathan Pete wedi gweld Cerdyn Melyn yn barod. A mae'n ail Gerdyn Melyn y fan hyn i Nathan Pete. A mae'r bala i lawr i 10 dyn o'r geg gornel. Wel, dim bwriad gan Pete o gwbl i fynd am y bêl. Dim dewis gan y dyfarnwr. Ail Gerdyn Melyn, Cerdyn Coch. Davies. Newid cyfeiriad y chwarae. Tasgu'n ffodus allan at Kane Owen. Wan, tam yna gyfle gwirioneddol fan hyn i Ben-y-bont. Owen, y croesiad i fewn at Sam Snaith. Oh! Dim digon o bwer ar y peniad ag ai, dyna'r cyfle i'r un ar 10 dyn gipio'r triffwynt yn erbyn y 10. Rosgro. Rhediad cry unwaith eto gan Adam Rosgro. Rosgro sy'n gyfle mae'r ergyd fymryn i bio'r postyn. Adam Rosgro. Bron a'i dwyni i'r bala. A ni'n y funud ola'r 90.
We came up here to make sure that the minimum we went away with was a point and hoped for another clean sheet because we're doing well with those at the moment. And yeah, so I go away satisfied, I suppose, with a point. It was a feisty game, very competitive start to finish. And whilst we felt we had the chances to win it, they had some chances as well. So I can't really complain.
Happy with the points in the end?
Yes and no. I thought it was a really good game. Two good teams locking head to head. I thought Pen-y-bont were excellent, really good, impressed with them. And then I thought they shaded the first half, thought we shaded the second period of the first half, and then I thought the second half was end to end. And then obviously the sending off then obviously puts us back a little bit, but I thought we were outstanding with 10 men again. I thought Adam Roscoe went through 3 times and should have squared 1, and then the keeper's made a good save on another as well, and then the other one's just clipped the post and gone wide or just gone past the post. But it was a good game, good advert for Welsh Prem football, and I thought, is it a fair result? Yeah, maybe Rhys will think that he might have won it. I think we might have won it, but on a whole I think maybe a draw is a fair result.
We're better against the better teams. We like it when teams want to go toe-to-toe with us because we're very physical and we're very fit, and obviously organisation helps as well. So when teams sit in against us a bit more, then it's sometimes a bit harder for us. But no, look, they're a good side, very competitive game, and no one gave an inch.
And if anything, you played better when you went down to 10 men, as you said.
Yeah, we do well with 10 men. We haven't lost this season. Went down to 10 men against Flint, went down to 10 men against Aber, went down to 10 men against Connersky, and never lost. So maybe we should get someone sent off in the first minute and then we might win the game or don't lose. No, but Nathan's second booking was a booking, and I don't think his first booking was a booking because Yoreth has got him pinned on the floor, and what can he do? And then the referee it's easy for him just to yellow card them, but it'd be interesting to have a look at that. So, but the second yellow was Stonewaller.